Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change billing address on Steam. First up, you just need to log in your account on Steam app, as you can see on your screen. And then here, click on your profile name at the top right-hand corner and select on account details. Now, once you click on this account details here, you want to go on the next page. As you can see, you just need to find an option where it says add a payment method to this account and then click this button here. Then here you just have to set up your payment method. So enter here your payment method and your card information. Now under your billing information, here you just need to enter your first name, your last name, city, and also the billing address and the billing address line 2 and the zip code, country, and phone number. So you need to make sure that you enter the correct billing information and billing address. Once done, click on the continue button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.